Hello dear students, today we are going to do third part of question first of exercise 4.2. The question is construct a rhombus BE and D in which length of BN is 5.6 centimeter and the length of DE is 6.5 centimeter. So the very first step we will draw a rough sketch of rhombus BE and D. From this rough sketch we can observe that the length BN it is of diagonal and the length DE is also of length of diagonal. Means only two diagonals are given. So we are supposed to construct the rhombus with the help of these two diagonals. So first of all we will recall the property of rhombus related to diagonal, and that property is in rhombus diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Students, what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? Means diagonals are bisecting each other as well as they are at 90 degree. So if diagonals are bisecting each other, so we will start the construction with the diagonal DE. So first of all we will draw a line of 6.5 centimeter, that is the line DE. Now we want to construct another diagonal. So for that diagonal should be perpendicular. So for that, students, we need to construct a perpendicular bisector. First of all, you will open the compass more than half of this line and you will mark arcs upward and downward like this by taking E as center. Similarly, by taking D as a center, we will mark arcs upward and downward which must intersect these two arcs. So let's see. Like this. Let's say it is point X and Y. So what we will do? We will join the line passing through X and Y. This is perpendicular bisector of diagonal DE. Now we know that in rhombus diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now this diagonal is of 6.5 centimeter and I want another diagonal which should be of length 5.6 centimeter. This line is perpendicular bisector but it should be of 5.6 centimeter. For that, please note this step carefully. What we will do for that 5.6 centimeter diagonal, so we will do the half of it, that is 2.8 centimeter. Why we did this step? Because if I'll take distance 2.8 upward and 2.8 downward, then the total distance will be 5.6 centimeter. So now in the next step what we will do? Now we will take O as a center and we will mark arc upward as well as downward. Now students, this distance is 2.8, this distance is also 2.8. It means this total distance is 5.6 and these are points N and B. Upward point is N and the downward point is B. This is point N and this is point B. Now we can join point BE, EN, point DN, and point BD. So this distance is 5.6 centimeter and B, E and D is our required quadrilateral. Students, you will also write down the steps of construction.